Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate Telegram Kit 1 and how it works. The main feature of Telegram Kit 1 is the automatic registration of Telegram accounts through SMS activation services. Now the video is one of my virtual machines. The program has registered more than 2,000 accounts. Each of them is saved in a separate folder. Each account has a full access. How it works? Program automatically buying virtual numbers in SMS activation services and registers telegrams. There are additional options to automatically join groups, channels, bots, set the first name, last name, username, avatar, send a welcome message to the group, and you can even create a Telegram application for other scripts and programs working through the Telegram API. At the moment the program supports 9 SMS providers and more than 140 countries. The video shows an example of using the SMS Hub.org service. I registered in advance and replenished the balance in SmShub. Before starting auto registration, always check the availability of the numbers of your chosen country and the price. To connect the selected SMS service and Telegram Kit 1, you need to copy the API key in your profile settings and service and enter it in the program settings, in the API section. The API key is a kind of login and password that is used through the program to purchase numbers and receive codes for activation. Enter the API key in the field with SMS Hub and select the country Brazil, and select the SMS Hub service so that the program understands which service to use. Also in Telegram Kit 1, you can set various delays and timings. Select the registration mode. And specify the table where you want to save the registered account. For example, let's open the table, it is empty. I also always specify a list of groups where accounts should join after registration. This adds trust. Finished with the settings, click OK. To start the program, press Start and select how many accounts you need to register. For example, I will set 3 attempts. But you can specify any number, 200 or 500 accounts. The main thing is that there is a sufficient balance and numbers in the service. After launch, the program created a separate folder for the Telegram account and started registering in the Telegram client by entering a phone number and requesting an activation code. Please note that the phone number that the program took was displayed in the service. Telegram Kit 1 works on the principle of a smart auto clicker. The program uses a mouse and keyboard, so you can touch the PC during operation. After the program has received the SMS code, it enters it in the Telegram window and then fills in the name and surname of the account. These data can be changed. The source files are in the project directory. Next, the program enters the channels and groups that we specified in the settings. By the same principle, the program will register all subsequent accounts. After registration, each account is stored in a separate folder, and data on registered accounts is entered into a table. Next, the program will register the remaining accounts according to the same principle. The main advantage is that Telegram Kit 1 does not use Telegram API during registration, and for Telegram the whole process looks like it is a real person registered in Telegram, respectively. Accounts have more trust. The program does not use API ID and API hash for work. Registration goes in the official Telegram desktop application. The program has many settings for unique accounts and boosting Telegram trust. Created accounts belong only to the one who created them. You will have full access and can use them for any tasks, sending messages, adding to groups, creating activity in channels, sending complaints, using Telegrams and other applications and much more. Telegram Kit 1 supports 9 SMS providers and more than 140 countries are available for registration. We regularly add new providers and new countries. You can always register any amount of Telegram accounts, with any budget. Pay attention to the program. In this mode they can work 24 hours and 7 days a week. Registration speed is approximately 1 account in 2-3 minutes, on average. 400-1000 accounts can be registered per day. And so the registration is completed, we can open our table and check the accounts. Three accounts have been added to the table. Further, we can use these accounts in a different mode or at our discretion.
Subscribe to the channel, like and write comments. If something does not work out, I will help.